In a significant setback to the BJP-led NDA as the 2024 Lok Sabha elections approached, the AIADMK declared on Monday its decision to sever ties with the BJP alliance. This move was confirmed through a unanimous resolution passed by the party. AIADMK Deputy Coordinator KP Munuswamy revealed the decision, stating, "The state leadership of the BJP has persistently made unwarranted comments about our former leaders, our General Secretary EPS, and our supporters over the past year." The party, led by former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, said it would lead a separate front for the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. AIADMK unanimously passed a resolution in the meeting. AIADMK is breaking all ties with the BJP and the NDA alliance from today. The state leadership of the BJP has been continuously making unnecessary remarks about our former leaders, our General Secretary Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, and our cadres for the past 1 year, said AIADMK's KP Munuswamy, as quoted by news agency ANI. The resolution, without naming anyone, said that the BJP state leadership has been of late defaming Dravidian icon, the late CN Annadurai, and late Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, besides criticizing its policies. It was obvious that the Dravidian party was miffed with BJP state president K. Annamalai, whose comments about Annadurai had created a rift between the two erstwhile allies. Amid bursting of crackers at the party headquarters, Munuswamy said that the unanimous decision honors the sentiments and aspirations of over 2 crore party workers. BJP leader Annamalai's remarks sparked a controversy after he alleged that Annadurai insulted Hinduism at an event in Madurai in 1956. He said Annadurai had to hide in Madurai after his remark and could only travel after he issued an apology. Annamalai had refused to apologize for his controversial remarks about the former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and maintained that there was no problem between his party and the AIADMK. He claimed that he had not spoken ill of Annadurai and had only recounted an incident from 1956. AIADMK had partnered with the BJP during the 2019 Lok Sabha polls and 2021 Assembly elections as allies. An AIADMK delegation that flew to the national capital on Friday met Party President JP Nadda and Union Minister Piyush Goyal, in charge of Tamil Nadu, and sought the leadership's intervention in making Annamalai apologize. If this was not possible, then they could consider posting a non-controversial leader who would work in close coordination with the AIADMK during the Lok Sabha elections next year, they reportedly said. The BJP central leadership, though not in so many words, conveyed that it backed the aggressive politics of Annamalai for the party's development, a senior party leader had said on Saturday.